McBain, and this is Jay Santana, and we are the founders of Eternal Beauty Medical Centers. And we are very, very excited to talk to you about our role in regenerative medicine and the anti-aging future of the marketplace. So again, we have created this short video to give you a window into some of the most amazing and cutting edge treatments that are hitting the marketplace and are available at Eternal Beauty Medical Centers. So one of the most exciting treatments to hit the marketplace is the introduction of thread lifting. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, so thread lift, really, it's the future of regenerative aesthetics. The reason why it's we're going to be approaching anti-aging long-term, Barb. And so, we have patients that are usually, they're utilizing toxin, they're utilizing filler, and it's usually about, a 6-month span where you have to come back and get, retouched. With threads, a little bit different, as we're supplying the body new cells and new material for it to regenerate. And so over time we get, we get an amazing result, right? And so for our patients, they're very happy as it's a natural result. And it's something that, if you're thinking about the money that you're paying towards aesthetics, your money is going a lot further.
Absolutely. And we've literally treated hundreds, if not thousands of clients across North America with beautiful, gentle, regenerative results. And we're talking facelifts, jaw lines, the cat eye, the décolleté, really this application is anywhere on the body. I know we've been doing a lot of the body treatments for moms, the stretch marks, if we have a rapid weight loss or somebody's gone through a body transformation. So let's talk a little bit about how that works.
Yeah, so the applications are, it's broad. It's we could, like Barbara said, we could do a facelift, we could do an eyebrow lift, we could do a jawline. We definitely can do other types of lifts, like butt lift, definitely a breast lift. We can definitely stimulate the abdomen, right? And so I think you touched on an amazing point, which is it's not so much about the lifting, but it's also the quality of the skin that we're able to attain with the thread lift.
Amazing. And so in terms of the mechanism that we're seeing, it's actually the structure of the skin. So when we talk about regenerative medicine, we're actually talking about the fibroblast cells in the dermis, in the dermal layers that are creating growth factors of up to 1,000 times. We're also initiating that stem cell regeneration, which creates more elastin, more collagen, and a youthful structure to the skin. So if you're asking yourself, how does this work? How am I going to replace my toxin or my filler? Essentially, our approach is not necessarily to completely take out the toxin and filler, but minimize it and really work with the natural healing abilities that are built into your body in each and every cell.
Exactly that. And what I like to simplify for our patients, it's about providing material for our cells, right? So we're providing material, but we're also, when we insert something into the body, it's also helping the other cells to regenerate, right? And so it's very different from adding something that's just going to be gone in months. We're about regenerating that area and improving it and building on it.
Absolutely. And the mechanism is really that micro trauma. So anytime the body is going into that state of creating that microtrauma, it's forced to, again, amp up its production. So that's really the science behind why this is working. And really, the results that we're seeing are almost that of a traditional facelift. I know we're doing rhinoplasties as well, which we have been super excited because, again, minimal downtime. So let's talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we have a lot of patients that are maybe not there in terms of the surgery, right? In terms of taking time off and going, maybe elsewhere or doing it in Canada for a very high cost. And so we offer the non-surgical treatment, of course. It's about 20 minutes in length. It has an immediate result. And patients, regardless of what nose we're dealing with, we're able to, make it very, very nice, right?
Absolutely. And so if you're looking in the marketplace, we can do that little pixie tip. We can also slim out the bridge, and we can change any irregularity in the actual nose, giving you that gorgeous profile from the side, but also that very slim profile from the front, making you feel super comfortable. And again, like Jay said, this is a very quick procedure. So the pain involved is very minimal. There's not a lot of healing time. You can drive yourself home. That's true of actually all of the threading procedures. So this is really, really great in terms of, you're not even gonna have to take any time off.
Exactly, and I think, I always touch it up in our consultations with our patients where, we really care as owners, we care where your money's going. And there's really, if we look at finance in terms of our life, there's really no other place rather than aesthetics where, we're putting money into something and then it's just gone. Where with our approach in regenerative aesthetics, your money's going a long way, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And just to extrapolate a little bit on that is with regenerative medicine, and we're hearing this all over in the media and the industry, the whole premise behind it is we're actually turning back the clock and the body is becoming younger. We're causing those fibroblast cells not to become lazy. We're really kickstarting them into where they were in terms of their cellular replication, their production of elastin and collagen, of that of a 25-year-old. So understanding the mechanism, I think, is also so important. And education, I know you and I are both big proponents of education with the clients.
For sure, yeah. So, over the past 10 years, we've made it our job to go to the best trade shows. There are places outside of Canada that are very advanced in aesthetics. And exactly what we're proposing here is exactly what's going on out there, right? So it's very important that we address that.
Yeah. And one thing I love about Eternal Beauty Medical Center is our international approach. I'm so glad that you brought that up, because in terms of science, in terms of stem cell research, biological research, surgery, and just medical aesthetics as a whole, Canada is often lagging behind. And just due to our international business contacts and the fact that we do business around the globe, we are really pulling some of the latest and greatest techniques that are really current for 2024, and that's super exciting.
Exactly, and we get a lot of patients that are going elsewhere for surgeries and for treatments, and now they're able to see that, we offer that or even better treatment here in Calgary.
100%. Right. So we want to welcome you down to the center. If you're seeing this video for the first time, as owners, we are both super passionate about bringing the best customer service to you, and again, come experience the Eternal Beauty Medical Center difference.